Can you guess where we are today? We're at the Guinness Store. What are you leaning? Guinness Storehouse. So we're going to go in, have the self-guided tour, and a pint of Guinness in the place where it's made.
Yeah.
I think it's time for the journey to begin. Yeah, this is what yeast looks like, zoomed in. And it's stored at minus 196 degrees.
Yeah.
That's a bit cold.
Far too cold for me.
We've done a few brewery and distillery tours before, and we've probably only seen 5% of this, and it's already the best one. Well worth it so far.
The roast takes out at 232 degrees.
That's hot.
Let's check out fermentation. 232 degrees, Caroline.
Very
That's
hot.
very hot.
Yeah.
Goes from very cold to very hot.
Part of the fermentation
See what they do here. This is going
process.
through all the pipes and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's doing the fermentation process and things.
There's 300 million bubbles in every pint. Did you know that, Caroline?
I did not know.
I don't know how they counted them. It's just counting the bubbles. Caroline,
Yeah,
someone has to taste
somebody
it.
has to taste it, yeah.
What a job. We've stopped at the little cafe. Got myself some drink. Ant's getting like an iced Bailey's mocha thing or something. And I've got a Guinness
Oh, he's
cake.
getting the Bailey's one, not the Guinness one.
I think so. No, I don't know what he's getting. He's getting something. And I had to get the Guinness cake. Oh, that's dense.
It looks very, very heavy.
Yeah. I'm not remotely hungry.
But you
I
have
feel
to
like
try it because you're
you
here.
got to.
That looks like a lot of frosting, icing.
That is very, very dense. It's okay. Tori, do you like the cake?
I do.
Our friends have picked up a sensory bag for Tori. Kitty, what's in it?
We have earplugs, and we have an air freshener, like a car air freshener.
This guide.
A guide, sunglasses if it gets too bright, squeezy ball, and fidget spinner.
Wow.
That's really good.
I don't want it.
That's a
And
nice
four-
And a
bag.
really cool bag.
And 4 pints of Guinness.
And a really cool bag. So what's in the sensory map, Ant?
Yes, it shows all the different types of rooms and if it's a higher sensory hotspot or a lower sensory hotspot. So the red would be the higher sensory hotspot, the blue would be the lower sensory hotspot, and the gray is the rooms you cannot go in, otherwise they kick you out.
How cool is that? And that is free. That's a really, really good sensory bag, and that is free as well. We've finished the drink and the cake. We all shared the cake because it was very, very dense. And now we're going to continue the tour and see what's around here. Did you know that Guinness are a very, I'm sure of the word, they really think about their employees, and did back in the day when things like pensions and all that kind of stuff weren't a done thing in healthcare.
I'm going to take a picture of this.
Who's recording that as well?
Time to do some tasting, maybe?
And you are currently deliberately stood in the white room. I'm sure you can guess for quite obvious reasons why we call this the white room, but it's designed this way on purpose to help enhance your tasting experience.
It smelled wonderful in there, but now we've got a little sample. How cute is that? Not allowed to taste it yet though.
We never ever sip the Guinness. The top is really bitter, that's why we had to take a lovely and generous mouthful. Hold it in your palate for 3-4 seconds. Swallow, and after that, exhale through your nose, okay? Exhale, okay? So first, take a lovely and generous mouthful. Hold it in your palate for 3-4 seconds. After that, you swallow and exhale through your nose. You should be tasting on the tip of your tongue the sweetness of the malted barley, in the middle side to side, you got a taste of the roasted barley, and then at the end, the bitterness of the hops. Is that right? Does anyone around here know how to say cheers in Irish language? Slamsha. Slamsha. So raise your glasses. Doesn't matter if empty or not. We're gonna say together. So 3, 2, 1.
That was an interesting way to learn how to actually drink Guinness. Take a swig, wait 4 seconds, swallow it, then exhale out your nose.
It was very bitter.
It was very bitter. I actually got very different aromas from it this time from
Very
tasting it
bitter.
that way. But my nose has gone weird again.
We're going up to the next bit now. This Guinness has got the seal of approval. Is this Gilroy? Or is the kangaroo Gilroy? Or is that guy over there Gilroy? Or is this weird looking ostrich Gilroy? Who's Gilroy?
I don't know.
Look at these like old Guinness cans. These look newer, but these are old. They're probably in bottles. Don't know where the old ones are. Have a Guinness when you're tired. Are you tired? Why is there a fish riding a bicycle? A woman needs a man like a fish needs a bicycle, apparently. We've made it up to the gravity bar for our
And
drinks.
to get a free Guinness, but I went with Hop House because the Guinness is making me nasally.
How's your hop house?
I'm not the biggest fan, but it's fine. It's wet, it's cold, it goes down. Sludgy.
Schlante. So let's have my Guinness. It's so bitter for me. So bitter. But when in Guinness. Cheers everyone. I have finished the Guinness and there's lots of cool views from up here in the gravity bar, but we're gonna head down and check out the shop because you always exit via the gift shop, don't you? Anyway, here's the gravity bar, it's in 2 rooms. This one's the coolest one because there's a bar in the middle. But lots of views all around the city. Head down to the shop. Some really nice stuff. Look at these jerseys and these t-shirts here. How cool is this?
Candle, Guinness
Candle.
candle. I wonder if it smells of Guinness.
I can't tell. We like magnets, so should we get one of these, babe?
Well, there's Guinness Dublin Island, covers all bases.
Yeah, I think we need to get one of these. We like magnets. We have picked this one. €5. I'm sure we can't afford this. Also, where would we put it? Our mantelpiece isn't big enough. I found some clothing that might be up our friend Ann's street. That shirt is horrific, and the shorts are worse. That was really good.
It was.
I like the gravity bar.
Probably one of the better brewery tours I've been on.
We didn't see
Though
them making any beer though.
The testing wasn't,
Tasting.
tasting side of it wasn't as good, but everything else was really, really good.
But hey, we've really enjoyed that. Would thoroughly recommend it. We spent way longer than you're supposed to in here, and now we're heading out. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Keep making memories.
Catch you later.